Hello and welcome. In this video I am going to discuss what is a hyperlink, how we can use it, and what are the attributes of a hyperlink. So to use hyperlink we need a tag, and inside the a tag, let's say we want to use it on a text, so we write visit Google, and when I refresh a page it has visit Google, but it is not hyperlink yet. So to make it happen, let's write down href, and as we are visiting google.com, so we have to write the Google address, and there you go. When I refresh it, it is hyperlinked. So when I click visit Google, it will take me to the Google page, but you see this Google page is opening in the same tab. So what if I want to open it in a new tab? So I will use an attribute called target, and in our case it should be blank, means the page should open in a new tab. Refresh it and click on visit Google again, and now you don't notice our main page is still open and the Google page is opening in a new tab. So one more attribute we can use is title. Set the title, so this takes me to Google. So when I refresh it, let me refresh now you see there is a title to this text. So the hyperlink can be used on a text and on the image in the same way. So what next option we have for the href is, let's say I want to use href for mail to someone at xyz.com, and I want to use it on this text, and when I refresh it, it will say send email, and when I click it, it will take me to the email sending application. I can use anyone for that purpose. Okay, another option we can use is for href is, let's say I want to use a JavaScript code. So what I will write, JavaScript, say alert, and inside alert I will say hello world. So close the tab and let's say execute JavaScript. So let's refresh it, and when I click, just take a note, hello world. A pop-up alert open says hello world. Okay, this is it for the href or the hyperlink. Thank you, and follow me for more videos.